Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly read for the month of August for Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. First of all, I'm extremely sorry that I'm too late for doing this reading. Secondly, this is a Celtic cross, and in Celtic cross with all these cards, we draw around one situation and we discuss only one situation, whether that situation fits in according to your relationship situation or career or anything else. So I will explain the situation, and you need to put it in your own scenario, in your own boundaries. Okay, so this is for reading. For this reading is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. So let's start. What I can see over here on the table, that there is someone coming in Aquarius people's life, and the person may be coming from abroad or maybe from a far off place. Most probably this person is coming around in October, or maybe you are expecting that the person will come in October, and the person will, and in the reality he or she will come earlier than that. Maybe this is also another possibility. Person can be someone who is secret for you, or you have kept that person secret from your other family members, relatives, friends, anything. On one hand, there is someone coming in your life with a very beautiful cup of love, with a message of great passion. But on the other hand, there is also, I have this card, the devil. You are already in a situation which is there from quite a long time, and you are held by that situation. That situation has been made you a hostage, and you are completely utterly stuck in that. You don't know how to come out from that, or maybe if you know how to deal all this stuckness and all these, how to break all these chains, again still it is also a possibility that time is not right for you to break these chains. Maybe you are doing this effort from quite a long time, still you are in the same situation. But I feel now is the time that this situation can change. And from three to people, you can your situation can turn into a two person situation, a family situation, a love relationship, someone who is already there in your life. You already knew that person. Maybe the person is very slow coming towards you. Again, there is a possibility that air sign is there. Aquarius is dealing some another air sign, because I have Gemini's card over here as well. So in your mind, you are very much conscious about your situation. You are very much conscious about your belongings, whether this is something related to money, your property, your money, your assets, or maybe if you are already you were already part of a committed relationship, then there is also possibility that kids are also involved in the whole mix. But this relationship seems too good to be true, because I can tell you that person is very much interested in you. Person can be very smart, energetic, physically very attractive, maybe very chatty, because I already have a Gemini card over here as well. And this is not the situation where on one day you have started a relationship and on the next day you just reach to the commitment. No, this relationship is at least 3 to 4 years old, and you guys put a lot of effort, energy into this, and you guys really make a strong foundation for your relationship. But still, apart saying all this, there is a decision, there is something that is lingering on Aquarius people's head, and they are not in the position to decide about or maybe this is a big decision in your life which you really need to take, and somehow due to time constraint, due to divine interference, this decision is literally lingering on. I feel not in this month, maybe not in August, but again in the next month, early half, first half, there is a possibility that situation will come to the point where a final decisive opinion is formed and a strict decision has been taken, that will be in your favor basically. With regular Rider-Waite tarot deck, I have Chakra Wisdom Oracle card and Monology Oracle card to get more clarity around the situation, and cards I have drawn for you is Renewal. So as I have told you earlier that the person is already there in your life, you already knew this person. This person is not totally brand new for you. This person is already there in your life, and you really tried very hard to keep that person as a secret. This can be a secret lover, this can be a secret relationship, this can be someone who is your admirer, or you are admiring the person, and person is coming really very slow due to your own maybe family dynamics, because I have seen these cards as well. But from now on, things are changing, things are renewing. There will be a new possibility for you, there will be a new start for you, and I feel this time it will not be you who wants to start something again. It will be the other person who is there in your life, and who is very slow to come while coming towards you. That person will start something new, and the renewal it is there, is in a very beautiful shape and form. Red color is very promising in this card. The other card I have, again a new start is coming, new moon. So new moon energies are very fresh, very energetic, very passionate. Something will be starting off very recently. Since this card is telling me about the new moon, so most probably in coming 15 days before ending of this month of August, I think there you can may be able to receive some passionate messages from the person, or maybe the person will come towards you by themselves. So this was the reading for Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising. I will see you next time with the new reading. Take care. Bye.